Hello everybody, so this is going to be a video about how my day looks, a typical day at Dernoshek Racing and Restoration. This is going to kind of show like insight on what I do and what the rest of our team does. So the past week or two, we've been on a grind trying to make a cool Christmas design t-shirt that we're going to give out to our customers who come in for tunes. And then also coming up here shortly, we're going to make an online store so you can go and buy them online. All right, Logan, how's your day going so far?
Started out good.
And then I had to work on a C4 LT1 Corvette. And it's gotten progressively worse.
How's it going, Sam?
You know, it's not. It's not.
It's not going.
It's not going.
Not going.
Let me know when it's Friday. I should have stayed in bed today. I'm looking up the service manual for this thing.
What's up, Mike? How's your day going so far?
Not too bad, man. It's actually been pretty good. I mean, all I've been doing is just using some grinding tools and cleaning, man. So can't really complain too much other than the smell, but that's it. So here's some of the projects that we're working on. This is the van that you've probably seen on Instagram already that we put an LS3 motor into, and our buddy Josh over at Babyface Fabrication is helping us fit it in there right. Here's the Corvette that Mike's been working on. Here's a 59 Impala that you will see later in this video. And here's a C4 Corvette that you will also see later in this video. Here's some cool stickers that we made. You'll get these if you come by and get a tune by us. I'm gonna make some more as well that say custom built by for restoration cars. Here's an example of what it would look like.
It makes me want to shoot up heroin in my eyeballs.
Man, how many likes to quit smoking?
How many likes to quit smoking? If we could get 225,000 people to send $1 each, I'll quit smoking. If we can get 15 million viewers
That's
to
a
send
bit.
me $1 each, I will quit smoking.
That's a bit of a
In
stretch.
fact, I'll quit the whole fucking thing.
You'll quit all of it.
All together. You won't even have to see me on YouTube. I won't even touch a car ever again.
I'll comment down below if y'all want Sam to quit smoking. So I actually lied. This turned into a 2-day video. So here's just like a second day of me running through what I do in a day at Dernoshek Racing. Hey Sam,
Yep.
how's it going?
Rainbows and puppy dogs.
What you doing, man?
Man, I'm about to pull a steering column out of this thing. Got a different gearbox to put in it so it will turn better.
Hey, Mike.
What's up, man?
How's your day going, dude?
Not great.
Not great? What's wrong, man?
Nothing's working the way it should, so just trying to get it to go.
At the end of this video, I'll show you all the t-shirt designs I got. Let me know down below in the comments what y'all think about them.
Hey, Logan, how's your day going today?
It's going better than yesterday.
That's good. What you working on?
It's 59 Impala, working on getting the wiring all fixed up, and we got the AC lines run and all that kind of stuff. So we're just trying to work on getting everything tidied up, finished up, and this thing down the road here, hopefully. But let me come with me, walk with me.
All
So
right.
let's talk about something here.
Okay.
This is an LT1, right? This is a 96 Corvette LT1. This is why we talk about customer supplied parts and why we don't like to do customer supplied parts. But the customer decided to, the engine that was in here, we found that it had no compression, was really in bad shape, took it out, took it apart. It was, found the rings were stuck, bearings were aced, all that kind of stuff. So customer went out and got a long block, put the engine in, put the intake manifold on, and we didn't really know a whole lot about the engine, but when they decked the block and did all the machine work, they didn't do the China rails, which is the part of the block that's in the back and in the front where the intake manifold sits. So this part here. So when I set the intake manifold on there, it's hitting on the China rails and not allowing it to go down far enough to get the bolt holes to line up so that I can, tighten the intake manifold down. So this is the problem with customer supplied parts. Now, if we have to take the engine out, pull the heads off, take it block to the machine shop and have them cut this down so that the intake will fit properly, that's on the customer, unfortunately. So if we had done this project or had our machine shop do the machine work, that wouldn't have been a problem because we use high quality machine shops that make sure that they know things like that, right? So that's one of the things that was causing me to have a bad day yesterday because of
Inattention to detail.
I'll call it, but we're gonna talk to one of our machine shop owners coming by today, and he's gonna look at it with me, and we're gonna come up with a plan on what we can do, and hopefully we don't have to take the engine out and take it apart and machine those China rails down, but we'll see what happens. Again, this is a reason why customer supplied parts we stay away from. We don't like it because we run into issues like this.
And here's some of the t-shirt designs I've got so far. I've got a couple more that I've made, but here's just some that I'll show y'all.